Hi everyone, and welcome to High Valley Couponers. Today I'm here with this very informal video. As you can tell by my appearance right now, I look really bad today, but yeah. I feel like I owe you all an explanation why there wasn't an ad preview for this last week. And for the sale, it starts tomorrow. Number one, the main reason, because I did go out and get the ad. I am dedicated. I did go out and get the ad, but I didn't post it. And I should have just posted it, but I didn't. The simple reason is, there really isn't anything new. It's like the same as last week. There's a couple little things added in. There's a 3-day sale, and there's some meat and produce, but that's it. Everything else is the same. Same little mini mega, same 5X digital. No free Friday. That's Renee actually commented that the free Fridays are gone, like permanently. I'm pretty sure I'm sure she's right, and that's sad because free Friday, my gosh, free Friday was around before I started couponing. Yeah, it was around before I started couponing. It was like one of the first things I did. I remember going into Kroger and getting some crackers or something for free, and I thought it was the best thing in the world. But anyways, that was like my first thing ever. So that's sad, but that's what it's looking like to me, unless by some weird chance it comes back next week. If you're really interested in seeing the Kroger ad, go on Kroger's website. But I promise you all, next Saturday it will be back. I just didn't do it this week because there's nothing new, really. What was the point of me going over it again? And it's the same thing that we had this last week, if that makes any sense at all. There's just nothing really different. It's pretty much all the same. So we didn't do that. I do apologize for that. Saturday also was really busy. Kind of just give you a rundown. I share a car, so Saturday morning I didn't have the car, so I didn't go to Kroger and get the ad then. So that was Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon, I couldn't have done Saturday afternoon because my family and I went to the movies, which you're probably thinking, you probably saw the Avengers movie that just came out. No, I gotta make a confession right now. I have never seen an Avengers movie in my life. Yeah, I don't know why I haven't, but I haven't. I have not seen an Avengers movie. I actually went and saw Breakthrough, which if you've not seen that movie, I really, really recommend that movie. That was amazing. That was really, really good. But that took up 2 hours of my Saturday. Actually, a little bit longer because of previews. But seriously, that's a really good excuse. Because that is like, if you want to see a movie that's going to be uplifting or whatever, check that out. Because I really, 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 we've seen it twice now. It was that good. I'd see it a third time, but I'm not gonna probably spend more money at the movies. But that was, yeah. So definitely that was that. And I did run in after the movie and get that. But then my mom decided we were going to do the stockpile, which I've actually been asking for a while. We've not really had time to do it. She's really good at the organizational stuff, so I always wait on her to do the stockpile. And we had a free day to do it, so we went ahead and did it. By the time I got on the stockpile, it was like 9 o'clock, and I had to choose my decision there because so many of you have asked for a stockpile tour, and it looked really great. I knew it probably wouldn't last that way for long, so I thought, do I do a stockpile tour today, or should I do the ad preview? I opted for the stockpile tour. Maybe that was a mistake, but that's kind of what I went with. But I think, and this is even really good for you all as well, take days, and that's something that Amy told me, because I messaged her about something on Saturday about the stockpile or something, I don't know. And I told her, or no, I think she asked me about the ad preview or something like that, and I told her, I went and saw Breakthrough, I went and did the stockpile, and she said it's good to take days off from couponing, and it really, at this point in my life, I'm to the point where I am taking more time off. I only am going a couple times a week. Not going to say I don't think about it every day. I obviously do. It's my job. And I look at deals every day. But take time just to not coupon would be my tip. So yeah. Really awesome. Let me know in the comments if you saw the movie. And let me know what you thought. That was like probably... As a Christian, I've seen all of them, like all the Christian movies. That probably was up there in the top 3 that I've ever seen. Some of those movies are depressing, but that one was really, really good. So yeah, that's why there's no ad preview. Now come back tomorrow, because there is going to be a big Kroger video. It is the first of the month, so there's going to be new printables tomorrow. This channel is going to be having a lot going on tomorrow, so come back for that. There'll be the Kroger deals. Because like I said, most of them aren't even in the ad anyways. So check that out. Yeah, I just want to give you an explanation. I don't ever like to not do ad previews. I've always done the ad previews. But sometimes when there's nothing it's new to talk about, I don't see the point in making the video. And I mean, it's my job, so I'm glad to do it. But I didn't really see the point to race around and get it out there when I think the stockpile tour is more beneficial in the end. So that's kind of that's my explanation. So yeah, come back tomorrow for the videos. It's gonna be awesome. Feel free to print some coupons tonight if you want to. There's a few of them that are going away. If you go on my blog, OhioValleyCouponer.com, click on free printable coupons, click on expiring soon. Those are the ones that are going to be going away. We're going to get a ton of new ones tomorrow. And yeah, I'm really excited for that. And thank you so much for watching.